All right, so in today's video, we're going to install some new LED high beams. Very easy job to do. I got these off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description if you want to pick up a set. This brand seemed like it had really good reviews. I didn't really see anybody, complaining about it. I think it was like almost 4.7 stars for these. So we're going to pop these into the truck, see how well they do compared to stock. So let's take a look at the stock high beams real fast in the dark. All right, I figured I'd show you guys everything that's in the box real fast. So this is a 9005 HB3 bulb. So let me get this box opened. Okay, so you get a pair of gloves because obviously if you are taking out the new bulbs, you don't want to be touching them just in case you need to reuse them. So pair of gloves. We got this, I'm not really sure what's in here. Let's get this open. Okay, looks like just information, maybe some kind of instructions or description of what it does and how to hook it up. All right, fair enough. So we got another little info card, and then we have the bulbs. So this is basically what you're looking at. I believe this section in here is probably like the cooling fan. Yep, that's the fan down there. So when you put these in, you're going to put it in downward and then twist to the side. So I think it's either it goes in sideways and twists downward, or it goes in downward and twists sideways. One of those ways. So, all right, let's get these things installed. All right, I had to turn the vehicle off. So that is, hold up, I got to turn the headlights off. Okay, so that is basically the stock halogen high beams. So not very much to look at. And if you kind of look around in the garage, it's kind of lit in here, but yeah, let's get these other ones in. All right, so we got the engine bay open. So the first thing you want to do is locate the high beam access points. So that is the first one. This is on the driver's side. So it's just kind of above the battery. And then on the passenger side, it is sitting right there. So the key to this is basically pulling down on this rubber tab. It's just a rubber cover. You're going to push the middle and then pull the rubber tab kind of at the same time. So I'm going to push in the middle and it comes off. All right. And then you got access to the bulb in there, which is kind of hard to focus, but it is sitting in a downward position. So that means we're going to have to turn it counterclockwise and then pull it out. Okay, took me a little bit of work to get this damn bulb out of there. But yeah, so I'm just gonna pull up on that tab that's sitting right there, that black tab. I'm gonna pull up on that, slide out the connector, and then put the new LED in. All right, so we got it connected. I'm gonna test it first before I put it in there for good. So hold on. All right, much more uniform color out of that compared to stock garbage. So you just repeat the process on the driver's side and then you're good to go. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next upgrade.